Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Online Course. So in this video I'm going to do most awaited pattern for this crochet crochet cardigan or sweater. Okay, so for this pattern I have this hook number 3.0 millimeter, and this is about 2 ply or more than 2 ply yarn of your favorite color. Okay, so I'm doing here a small medium size. For this size I will do 35 chains. So this pattern is basically the multiple of 8 stitches in plus 3 at the end of the row. So if you are doing a big size or the large size, you have to add extra 8 chains, 8 plus 8 plus 8 chains in your project. So I have done here 35 chains for small medium size. Okay, so for the basic row I'm doing here the double crochet row. For this, skip 3 stitches and double crochet in each and every stitch. So this is not the first row, this is the basic row. You can do here the single crochet in all over, or you can leave as it is with chains row, but I'm doing double crochets here in each and every stitch. Okay, so double crochets are done in the basic row. Now we will move to the first row of the pattern. Okay, so for the first row do 3 chains, 4 chains, 1 2 3 4. Now turn your work and skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3. In the first stitch do 5 double crochets, 1 2 3 double crochet, 4 and 5. So I made 4 chains, then flipped my work, skipped 3 stitches, and in the fourth stitch did 5 double crochets. Now 1 chain, again skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3, and in the fourth stitch do 1 double crochet. So this is the basic step of this row. We will repeat this step again and again. Okay, again 1 chain, skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3. In the first stitch again do 5 double crochets. Five double crochets are done, and now again 1 chain, skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3. In the first stitch 1 double crochet. So repeat this step again and again till the last stitch of your row. Okay, so row number 1 is done. Here I am just doing a small medium size of 35 chains. Okay, now move to the second row. For the second row 3 chains, flip your work, and we will make 2 double crochets in the first stitch. This is the first stitch, so we will do here 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet and 2. So we have 3 stitches in the start. 3 chains will be counted as 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets are done. So 3 double crochets are done here. Again 1 chain, skip 4 stitches, 3 stitches, and in the fourth stitch, or you can say in the middle stitch, 1 double crochet like this. So 1 chain again and 5 double crochets in the fourth stitch or the double crochet stitch that we have done in the previous row. So this step will be repeated again and again in this second row. These both rows are similar, but the places are somehow different or changed. So this is a basic step. Now move to the next. Again 1 chain, skip 4 stitches, or in the middle stitch do 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and again in the fourth stitch 5 double crochets. Okay, just complete this second row like this. Okay, now I am at the end of the second row. So at the end, as you can see, I will do 3 double crochets like I have done in the starting. So skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3, and in the fourth stitch 3 double crochets. So 2 rows are done here. Basically this is 2 rows pattern, and we will repeat these 2 rows again and again. So now we will do third row. In the third row we will repeat the row number 1, as we did 4 chains in the first row and then turn out our work. Now again skip 3 stitches. In the fourth stitch do 5 double crochet. So these 2 rows will be repeated until your size. Okay, so I have done here few rows repeating these 2 rows in my size. So this is just simple and easy pattern, just going and repeating again and again these 2 rows. The right side and the wrong side are the same, so you can use both sides for your project. And you have to make and repeat these 2 rows until your size till the armhole. So I'm just done here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. I've just here done here 8 rows, including the basic row. So you just need to make rows until your armhole. So I am doing here the neck side. We will do 1 single crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the middle. So I have skipped here 3 stitches almost. Okay, now we will go like repeated pattern by doing 5 double crochets, then 1 chain and 1 double crochet. So this step will be repeated. So repeat the rest, and you can see I have decreased 3 stitches here, about 3 stitches here. Now I will repeat this pattern until here. We will just leave this one portion for our armhole. So we will do this, repeat this pattern here. Okay, you can see this is the next side. I have decreased some stitches here. You can see this is the same, and we have left this part. Okay, so this now next row will be start from here and go up like that. So we don't need to do any further decreases in the arm side, and from next side it will go like a U shape or V shape, and the armhole side will be like L shape. Okay, so now move to the next row, and we skipped those stitches here, so this part is skipped as the armhole. Okay, now repeat again the same pattern, just we did like before. Okay, so we have started from here and now I have completed here. Okay, now before you there are 5 double crochets. So in these 5 double crochets we will do one double crochet, one chain and one double crochet in the middle of these 5 double crochets. And now we will just do a chain and single crochet over this double crochet. So skip other stitches like this. Now flip your work and do one single crochet in the space. Like you can see the shape is going decreasing. And now double crochet in the next space, half double crochet in the next space, and now one chain and again one double crochet in the middle stitch of the 5 double crochets, and do the next pattern same. Doing the rest pattern same till the boundary of the armhole. Okay, you can see here I have completed this row till armhole, and now we will again repeat the same pattern till this mark. Okay, now I am on the neck side. We will again decrease some stitches here, one chain and one single crochet in this space, or you can do on this double crochet like we did in the previous row. One chain, flip your work, one single crochet in the space, and next one chain, one double crochet in the middle of 5 double crochets, and the rest is same again. Okay, you can see our next side is almost complete, and again I am on the armhole side and I have completed the next row, and I am on the now next side. Okay, for the next sides decreasing, I am here again one double crochet in on the double crochet, 3 double crochet on last one double crochet. Okay, so this is the size that I will do continue, and I will not decrease any more stitches because we have get our desired shape. So as you can see, I have got here V shape, and on the armhole we have got L shape. So you make these rows as long as you want your armhole wide. Okay, so I have done here 35 stitches, and this is for small medium size, and I will show you in inches. So this pattern is about 7 inches width of one panel, so for both it's 14 inches as you see. So you can use both sides of this pattern, and if you want a bigger size, just add extra 8 chains, and this shoulder side will also be wide if you make in wide size or long size. So my shoulder is about 2 inches, and if you are make in big size and XL size, your shoulder will be more wide. So I have done just 6 inches armhole and about 7 inches my neck. Okay, so it's all depends on you. I just told you about the armhole decrease and the neck decrease, so the rest is same. You just need to add extra chains for your size, and if you're making a smaller one, you just need to decrease, you just need to minus some stitches when you make the chains, just minus 8 stitches. Okay, now I am doing border. When you finished all the pieces, 2 front panels and 1 back panel, attach them, and after attaching you will need to make a border. So I'm doing here shell stitch border. So I will do 5 double crochets in 1 chain, and then slip stitch again 5 double crochets in 1 chain and slip stitch. So it's really easy and just repeating again and again. Okay, so you just need to make sure that your pattern should be the multiple of 8 stitches. So if you are making a large size, you just need to I have done 35 chains. So if you make in large size, you just need to add extra 8 plus 8 plus 8 stitches according to your size. And the back is same as the front, but you will just need to make armhole decreases. You will not make any neck decrease in the back, only armhole pattern will be repeated. Okay, so here you can see the stitches are done and the border is done. This is how it will look with border. You can skip the border and do the single crochet row, but I have done a border, and you will also need to add border on the armhole side. Okay, so now this is about 7 inches in width. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like my video and comment down. Thank you.